Okay, everybody, I'm back. So, yeah, I've decided to put this in the back here, and I'll keep the tote here for right now. Okay. I wonder how old this soda is. I need to wet my whistle here. Yeah, warm soda. Yeah. Okay. Can't lose that. Oh. First time grabbing gloves. A left and a right. Okay. So I'm just going to squeeze this stuff in here someplace. This I'm going to squeeze here. Okay. There. And then the rest of this, I'm just going to find little areas just to toss it. Oh, you never know. This might be my first scrapping video. Another brass valve. These right here, stainless. That's aluminum, clean aluminum. Okay. Move those back a little bit. Okay, so What else do we got? Okay. I forgot how this chair folds up. Oh, there it is. Nothing else down there. No, no, no. There. Phew. Oops. I cannot leave a penny behind. It's kind of sad that the copper is worth more than the penny. There's that. Okay. This side of the truck is cleaned. And then finish up this side. Oh, pan. Just gonna throw that stuff in there for right now. Okay, nothing under the seat. Piece of wire. I think that's part of the truck. And transmission fluid, multi-purpose ATF. Don't know if this pen works. Okay. The cab of the truck is cleaned, except for this tote. There. Okay. That's done. So, that is pretty much gotta go the other way. Okay, that's done. Now it's just this mess, which that'll be another episode. So I know it wasn't that scrapping video, but this is my daily life, moving things around and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If not, give it a thumbs down. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You know, some of my life is really, really boring. But yeah, but this is next. So hopefully you'll stick around and join the journey. Oh, and I gotta get rid of all that stuff. And yes, my truck is still squatting, which is not good for it. So